share with you some more pockets that I've made. These are double pockets, and let me get my book. So I've done 3 and I'll do the other one on camera. So I've done 2 that would be put on the right side and 2 that would be put on the left side. I've just been paper clipping things in as I've been making them, so that would go on the journal page like that. And let me just grab this, and you would tuck something in behind, and you can tuck things in there as well. So I've just been using some elements from the journal kit that I'm using at the moment, and it's called Botanicals, and it's by Nectar's, no it's not, it is by Victoria Designs. So so I've made them, and let me start making the other one. They're so quick and easy. Everything that I'm doing is so quick and easy, and obviously you can do it with anything you like, any paper that you like, any designer paper that you're using to make your journals. So this background is actually a page from the kit, and I've printed it off onto cardstock, and I've just trimmed it down to make this big deep pocket, because obviously that is going to go on there. The image is obviously this like ornate shape, and I've just backed that onto some what paper did I use? Some Artie Maze's paper. I actually didn't mean to do it. I was going to do this on camera, but I just got carried away and glued it down. Just used my pinking shears to go around the edges. So I will glue that on. This would literally take you, well, I'd say about 5 minutes, if that, not even that. So we will pop that on there. I'm going to have to trim a little tiny piece off of here once I glue this onto this pocket, so that would just go on like that. So I'm only going to glue this side and that side, and I think I'm going to do one more pocket after this for this journal, but I will obviously carry on showing you different things that I make with different journals as time goes by. I have created a playlist called Let's Make, and that's linked below, so you'll see all the other ones that I've done, and then all the other ones that I will be doing. So I'm just going to trim that, and then just ink that up a little bit, take the white away from that edge. Here, unfortunately, I'm going to have to cover this little dragonfly up. It's so pretty. Just going to ink these up. I've got a little butterfly there, whoops, and a ticket and some scraps. I used to have one big scrap box. Now I've probably got about, let me have a look around, I've probably got about 5 big scrap boxes now, where I've got things all, different things in different boxes, so I know where to, you know, what tub, it's not box, it's a tub, I know what tub to look in when I'm looking for something in particular. And then I've got folders, like plastic wallets, and I've got stuff that's all been, like all the little bits that I don't want to lose. They're all in them. I've probably got about 10 of them, still 10 about. And then the ticket. And I'm just going to have to put my glue gun on quickly. Forgot to do that again. Excuse me. So I need some eyelash trim, and I'm just going to ink that up first. And like I say, you can do whatever you like, you know, you can decorate it how you like with different elements. You know, if you follow me and you know I am a big fan of butterflies. I was watching one of my older videos earlier today, and it was about 4 years ago, and I'd actually said it was like autumn time, and I'd said I don't know what I was going to do, because Halloween and Christmas was coming along, and you really can't add butterflies to that. So I do get a little bit panicky when it's, oh my gosh, I can't use butterflies. Alright, that's nearly at the end of that. So I will just pop that on there, and there we have it. Quick and easy, so quick and easy, and anyone can do this. So I've got 2 for that side and 2 for that side. Any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Don't forget the playlists are below as well, and I will be back soon. Bye.